Welcome back till long day after. Today I will discuss again group theory. Today I will discuss structure of the group of order 30 by Sylow theorem. Because I have told you many times, Sylow theorem actually very important for higher study. By Sylow theorem we can construct any group. Today I will see group of order 30. By Sylow theorem I will see find all non-isomorphic group of order 30. By Sylow theorem I will see. Here order of G equal to 30, which is 2 times 3 times 5. So there exists 2 SSG, 3 SSG and 5 SSG. And 2 SSG means 1 plus 2k divide 3 times 5. That means 1 plus 2k equal to 3 or 1 plus 2k equal to 5. 1 plus 2k equal to 3 means 2k equal to 2, that imply k equal to 1. And 1 plus 2k equal to 5 means 2k equal to 4, that means k equal to 2. So 1 plus 2k equal to 15 possible. This is also possible. That imply k equal to 14 over 2, that means k equal to 7. And since 1 plus 2k divide 3 dot 5, that means 1 plus 2k equal to 1. This is always possible. That imply k equal to 0. So number of Sylow 2 subgroup is 1, 3, 5 or 15. Similarly, I will see number of Sylow 3. Sylow 3 subgroup, that means 1 plus 3k should divide 2.5. That means the possibility is either 1 plus 3k equal to 1 or 1 plus 3k equal to 2 or 1 plus 3k equal to 5 or 1 plus 3k equal to 10. K equal to 0, k equal to 1 over 3, this is not possible. K equal to 4 over 3, this is not possible. K equal to 3, this is possible. That means N3 equal to 1 and 10. Number of 3 Sylow subgroup, either 1 or 10. Then I will see number of 5 subgroup. 1 plus 5k should divide 2.3. Plus 5k should divide 2.3, that imply 1 plus 5k equal to 1 or 1 plus 5k equal to 2 or 1 plus 5k equal to 3 or 1 plus 5k equal to 6. Plus 5k equal to 1 means k equal to 0. 1 plus 5k equal to 2 means k equal to 1.5. This is rational number, so this is not possible. 1 plus 5k equal to 3 means k equal to 2 over 5. This is also rational number, so this is not possible. 1 plus 5k equal to 6, that imply k equal to 1. So only possibility k equal to 0 and k equal to 1. That means number of Sylow 5 subgroup is 1 and that imply N5 equal to 1 and 6. That means possible number of Sylow 5 subgroup is either 1 or 6. By Sylow's theorem, we can construct how many subgroups exist. Since there are considered 2 Sylow subgroup A is equal to 2 SSG, K equal to 3 SSG and T equal to 2 SSG. Then A is K would be, if A is be the normal subgroup and K be the subgroup, then obviously A is K would be subgroup. And we all of us know order of A is K is, order of A is times order of K divided by order of A's intersection K. Here order of A is equal to 2 times 3 and A's intersection, order of A's intersection K would be 1. So order of A's K would be 6. That means there exists subgroup of order 6 also. Also similarly there exists subgroup of order T equal to 5. Subgroup of order 15. Also there exists subgroup of order 10 also. This type of subgroup exists. 1 2 Sylow subgroup, 1 3 Sylow subgroup, 1 another 5 Sylow subgroup, another 6 Sylow subgroup, 10 order subgroup and 15 order subgroup. I hope my all viewers have understood. Next, I will see number of element of this subgroup. Since there exist 6 Sylow 5 subgroup, if there exist 6 Sylow 5 subgroup, consider this is A is 1, A is 2 up to A is 6. Then number of element of order 5, since each subgroup be order 5 and we all of us know number of element of order 5 subgroup always would be, since 5 is a prime number, then always would be 5 5 which is equal to 4. And since here there exists 6 subgroups, so number of element of 5 SSG would be 6 times 4 which is equal to 24. And also in each subgroup always there exists one identity element. This is common in each subgroup. So number of element 24 plus 1 which is 25. That means if there exists 6 Sylow 5 subgroup, then number of element of this 5 subgroup would be 25. That means remaining element is 30 minus 25 because order of the group is 30. Remaining element is 5. We have seen number of Sylow 3 subgroup either 1 or 10. If number of Sylow 3 subgroup, if n3 equal to 10, if number of Sylow 3 subgroup is 10, consider K1, K2, K3 up to K10 would be Sylow 3 subgroup. So number of element of ordered 3 subgroup always would be 5 3 which is equal to 2. Since here 10 subgroup exist, so number of element of order 3 in each subgroups 2 non-identity element exist. So total number of element of 3 SSG would be 2 into 10 20 and one identity, that means 21 elements. In 5 SSG I have got 25 elements. 25 plus 21, this is always greater than 30. So if we consider number of 5 SSG is 6, then number of 3 SSG 10 cannot possible. Then always number of 3 SSG would be 1. And we all of us know, when number of SSG, 3 SSG would be 1, then this subgroup always would be normal. Or if number of 3 SSG be 10, then must be number of 5 SSG would be 1. That means in the group of order 30, either 3 SSG normal or 5 SSG normal. I hope till now my all viewers have understood whole way. Okay. And since ACE is the 2 Sylow subgroup, we all of us know, since order of subgroup is 2, 2 is a prime number, so this subgroup always be cyclic. So always it has a generator. Consider T is generated by X. And I have got either 3 Sylow subgroup normal or 5 subgroup normal in the group of order 30. So order of KT would be order of K times order of T divided by order of K intersection T, and this value would be 30. Sorry, this value would be this value would be 15, and this is order of KT also would be subgroup of the group G, because either 3 Sylow subgroup be normal or 5 Sylow subgroup be normal in the group of order 30. So this is always be subgroup of the group G. And if we consider KT, this subgroup, if we consider I, this is also normal in G, because here order of KT equal to 15. So 13 over 15 means 2. So since here index 2, so we all of us know when index 2, so that implies the group subgroup is normal. So if KT equal to, consider this is I, so I also normal in the group G. That means KT, which I have considered as I, this is also normal in this group G. Therefore, I is, since A is be the 2 Sylow subgroup and I is the 15 order subgroup, which is also normal. So this is also subgroup of the group G, and I is actually, this is order of I times order of A is divided by I intersection A is order of, and this the order of I is 15, this is 2, and this is 1, this is 30, which is actually whole group G. Okay, means from this idea we can write G equal to the set containing x to the power s, y to the power t, where s lies from 0 to 1 and t lies from 0 to 14. And every element of G is of the form of x to the power s, y to the power t. Okay? A is, whose order is 15, this is the normal in G, normal subgroup in G. Therefore, by definition of normal subgroup, x, y, x inverse, because A's is generated by x. If we consider I is generated, the element of I is yi type, so x, y, x inverse, this is equal to yi by the definition of normal subgroup. So that imply x, y equal to y to the power I x. That means the structure of the group would be depend this value of I. By this value of I, we can construct this group G. We can construct how many non-isomorphic group of order. Therefore, by this we can write G equal to x to the power s, y to the power t, such that since here I have got x, y equal to y to the power I x, x, y equal to y to the power I x, where I lies between 1 to 15 and order of x equal to 2. From this, we have to find the possibility of I, since we can write y equal to x inverse, x, y, x inverse times x, we can write this as y. So this is x, y, x inverse means y to the power I. So this value would be x inverse times y to the power I times x, and that imply this is x, y, y to the power I x inverse. We all of us know in isomorphism A, B, A inverse to the power n is equal to A, B to the power n, A inverse. So from this we can write this as x, y, x inverse to the power I, and x, y, x inverse means actually yi. So this value would be yi square. Okay? That imply from this, since y equal to yi whole square, that means y to the power I square minus 1, this is equal to identity. Since this is equal to identity, that means from this we can write order of y divide always I square minus 1, and order of y is 15, that means 15 divide I square minus 1. Since 15 equal to 3 times 5, so if here 5 is large number, so 5 divide either I minus 1 or I plus 1, that means 5 divide I plus minus 1. Okay? Since 5 divide I plus minus 1, so there exists an integer k belongs to Z, such that 5k equal to 1 plus minus I. That means I equal to plus minus 1 plus 5k. If we put the value where k is the integer, when k equal to 0, then this value would be plus minus 1. When k equal to 1, then this value would be 6. When k equal to minus 1, then this value would be 4. When k equal to 2 plus 2, this value would be 11, and when k equal to minus 2, this value would be 9. When k equal to 3, then this value would be for 16, and when k equal to minus 3, then this value would be 14. I will take only this part. Here I will stop because I means y to the power I, and when y to the power 16, then that means this value would be y to the power 16 means this value would be y. After that, this value also would be same in this value, only distinct value would be this part, because here I means y to the power I. This is the possible value of I, and GCD of I comma 15 equal to 1. So if we put 4, this is 4 comma 15, this is 1. But if we put 6 comma 15, this is GCD of 6 comma 15 not equal to 1. So plus minus 1 possible, 4 possible. Similarly 14 possible, also 11 possible. That means therefore possibility is only 1, 4, 11 and 14. Just take only positive part. Here also I can choose minus 1, but y to the power 40, this is equal to actually y to the power minus 1. Value of I minus 1 or 40, this is same. So since there exist 4 possibility, so up to non-isomorphic group of order 30, there are 4 group, Z30, D15, Z3 direct product D5 and Z5 direct product D3. That means up to non-isomorphic there exist 4 group. I hope my all viewers have understood this all calculation. I hope my all viewers have understood the geometry of non-isomorphic group of order 30, how we have to solve. Okay, I will stop here. In my next video I will discuss group of order 60. But at first I will highly recommend you please see today's video with pay attention, because if you don't understand the structure of group of order 30 in better way, then you cannot understand group of order 60. Okay, see you soon. Stay safe and stay positive always, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.